Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix a Snapchat AI. Sorry, we are not speaking right now. So guys, when you have used your AI on Snapchat and facing this type of issue again and again, I'll help you how to fix this problem. So guys, you can easily fix this problem. So let's start without wasting any time. So guys, simply first of all you have to go back, and guys after this you need to open your settings on your iPhone. And guys after opening your settings you have to check your Wi-Fi connection. So guys, first of all you need to make sure that you have connected with strong internet connection. So guys, if not, you need to turn on your mobile data. And guys, the second step is you need to open your app store in your iPhone. And guys, here you need to search Snapchat app. And guys after searching it you need to open your app, and guys you need to update your app if not update it from here. And guys after doing this your problem will be fixed after doing update. So guys, if still not fix your problem, you need to open your settings here, scroll it below, click on general. And guys you need to check your VPN connection. If you have connected any kind of VPN here, you need to disconnect that VPN. And after this maybe there is network problem, so guys you need to reset your network settings from here. And guys after doing this you need to go back, and guys at the last you need to check again your problem will be fixed. So guys, if still not fix your problem, you have to click on iPhone storage, and guys you need to scroll it down, click on Snapchat. And guys you need to offload your app from here, and guys after doing offload you need to reinstall again from App Store. And guys after doing these settings you will be able to use your Snapchat AI smoothly without any interruption. So guys, this is the video. Hope you like this video. So guys, if you like this video, please do subscribe, comment and share. Thank you.